There we go. There we go. There we go. Get out of there. Let me wrap around a little tree there. Nice little guy. Come out. I'm gonna lose this one. Let's see what I got here. I think he's hooked good. I think I'm wrapped around that tree. You can see that or not? Come on. See if you'll go in there. No, I think he's wrapped. There we go. There we go. That's a nice dude. Quite a keeper. My net here. Easier to take them off. Nice dude. Not earth shattering or anything, but nice dude. Let's see what weight measures out to here. Just keeper if I wanted to keep him. 13-inch. I think I'll let him go. There you go. That's pretty cool. Let's see, they're biting. So did I. Can't be some other crazy guy out here on a swollen river. Well, that bad boy's pretty stable.
Yeah, it's got a big fin on the bottom. Helps it track real nice and straight.
What is that?
Stand-up paddleboard.
Stand-up paddleboard.
Yeah.
That's pretty. I've made these things last night, but they're too high and they're too far out. This is the maiden voyage.
Ah, yeah.
I like that. That's cool.
Yeah, it's just a different way. Lets you see up out of the banks a lot better.
Right.
And when you stop, you don't have to haul yourself out of it. You just step off.
Exactly. Older I get, the more that's being an issue. Have a good one, buddy. Oh, nice one. I'm going to get him out of there. I'm going to get stuck in the woods again. Got it. I'm going to lose my fishing pole over this. There he is, right over there. No, don't do that, don't do that. Oh, there's my line. I can grab the line before he goes crazy. Unusual for that stuff to break. That's kind of wild to catch on film. the right. We're gonna get this guy. We're gonna get him. We're gonna get him. He ain't gone yet. That's how not to catch a fish, but still get him anyway. Oh, you miserable little imp. Turn around. Probably got off. No. At least I got my. There's something up to it. Alright, let's see if I can get him out of there without losing him. Yeah, decent. Out here, I don't want to get. A nice fish. Yeah. Got him. And the lure broke. And the line broke. Oh, wow. That's a nice bass. It's called thinking fast before you lose them. 15-incher. I'm gonna let you go this time. There he goes. Well, I think it's time to go back. Adjust my little stabilizers here and put on some new line. That was pretty cool. I enjoyed that. Too bad, we're gonna have to figure out what in the world we're gonna do about this stabilizing thing. We just have to live with it the way it is to be able to fish with it.